Hello everyone, welcome back into my YouTube channel. Let me show you how to create 3D wrap text in Adobe Illustrator. Start a new project, click the New File button and create a page. Draw a rectangle as a background. Choose Type tool and type your words. Draw a circle and cut it like this. Hold Shift and select these, press Ctrl-Alt-C. Do the same thing for the second text. Now go to Object and choose Expand. Go to Object and choose Group. Press Ctrl-C to make a copy. Press Ctrl-V to paste it in place, scale it down. Select the bigger text and put it in front, change its color. Select both text and go to Blend tool. Set specified steps to 70. Press Ctrl-Alt-B to make the blend. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe my channel for more exciting tutorials.